Chicken farming is one of the most important agricultural industries globally, providing a significant source of meat and eggs for human consumption. It is an essential component of food security, economic development, and rural livelihoods in many countries. Chicken farming ranges from small backyard operations to large-scale commercial enterprises, with varying levels of technology and management practices. The industry has evolved considerably over the years, with advancements in genetics, nutrition, housing, and disease control significantly improving production efficiency. Hello there. Welcome to Urban Farming, your go-to channel for all things related to sustainable and productive farming in urban and rural settings. In today's video, we're diving into the world of chicken farming, one of the most rewarding and profitable aspects of modern agriculture. Whether you're a beginner looking to start a small backyard flock or an experienced farmer aiming to scale up, this video will cover everything you need to know about raising healthy, productive chickens. From choosing the right breed to setting up housing, feeding, and disease management, we'll break down the essentials to help you succeed. Raising chickens not only provides a fresh supply of eggs and meat but also contributes to sustainable farming practices by improving soil fertility and reducing food waste. Plus, with the rising demand for organic and free-range poultry products, chicken farming can be a great source of income. Stay tuned as we guide you through the best practices, tips, and expert insights to help you get started and thrive in poultry farming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from urban farming. Let's get started. The foundation of successful chicken farming begins with selecting the right breed. Different breeds are suited for different purposes, with some optimized for egg production, layers, and others for meat production, broilers. Layer chickens, such as the white leghorn, are known for their high egg-laying capacity, often producing up to 300 eggs per year. On the other hand, broiler chickens, such as the Cornish cross, are bred for rapid growth and efficient meat production, reaching market weight within 6 to 8 weeks. Dual-purpose breeds, such as the Rhode Island Red, provide a balance between egg-laying and meat production, making them popular among small-scale farmers. Housing is another critical aspect of chicken farming, as it directly affects the health, growth, and productivity of the birds. Proper housing should provide adequate ventilation, protection from extreme weather conditions, and sufficient space for movement. There are different types of poultry housing systems, including deep litter systems, battery cages, and free-range setups. In commercial farms, climate-controlled poultry houses are commonly used to maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels, ensuring consistent production. Proper litter management is essential to prevent ammonia buildup, which can lead to respiratory issues and other health problems. Breeding is another essential component of chicken farming, particularly for farmers who wish to maintain their own flock without purchasing new chicks regularly. Natural mating and artificial insemination are common breeding methods used in poultry production. Incubation is a critical process in hatching eggs, and farmers can use natural brooding by hens or artificial incubators to hatch chicks. Proper temperature and humidity control during incubation significantly impact hatchability rates and chick quality. Once hatched, chicks require specialized care, including brooding with heat lamps or brooders, to maintain optimal body temperature and ensure healthy development. Waste management is an often overlooked aspect of poultry farming, but it is essential for environmental sustainability. Chicken manure is a valuable byproduct that can be used as organic fertilizer, but improper disposal can lead to environmental pollution and health hazards. Farmers can utilize composting techniques to process poultry waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer for crops. Additionally, some modern farms incorporate biogas systems to convert poultry waste into renewable energy, reducing their reliance on traditional energy sources and minimizing their environmental footprint. Technology and innovation have played a significant role in transforming the poultry industry. Automation in feeding, watering, and egg collection has improved efficiency and reduced labor costs. Smart farming technologies, such as sensors and data analytics, enable farmers to monitor poultry health, environmental conditions, and feed consumption in real time. These advancements have helped improve productivity, reduce disease risks, and enhance overall farm management. Genetic research has also led to the development of high-yielding poultry breeds with improved disease resistance and growth rates. Despite its many advantages, chicken farming also faces several challenges. Fluctuations in feed prices, disease outbreaks, market instability, and regulatory requirements can impact the profitability of poultry farms. Climate change and extreme weather conditions pose additional risks, affecting poultry health and productivity. Farmers must stay informed about industry trends, adopt best practices, and continuously innovate to remain competitive. Government support, training programs, and cooperative farming initiatives can help small-scale farmers overcome challenges and improve their livelihoods. Sustainability is becoming an increasingly important consideration in chicken farming. Ethical concerns regarding animal welfare have led to the rise of alternative farming methods, such as free-range and organic poultry production. Consumers are becoming more conscious of how their food is produced, and demand for organic, antibiotic-free, and pasture-raised poultry products is increasing. Sustainable farming practices, such as rotational grazing, integrated pest management, and eco-friendly waste disposal, contribute to environmental conservation and long-term farm viability. Chicken farming is a dynamic and essential industry that plays a crucial role in food production and economic development. Success in poultry farming requires careful planning, knowledge of best practices, and continuous adaptation to technological advancements and market demands. By focusing on proper breed selection, housing, nutrition, disease management, and sustainable practices, farmers can optimize productivity and profitability. With the growing global demand for poultry products, the future of chicken farming holds great potential, provided that farmers embrace innovation and sustainability in their operations. That's a wrap on today's video about chicken farming. We've covered everything from selecting the right breed and setting up proper housing to feeding, disease management, and sustainable farming practices. Whether you're just starting out with a small backyard flock or planning to scale up to a commercial poultry farm, the key to success lies in proper care, knowledge, and consistency. Raising chickens is not just about producing fresh eggs and meat, it's also a step toward self-sufficiency and sustainable agriculture. With the right approach, chicken farming can be a rewarding experience, providing food, income, and even environmental benefits like soil enrichment and waste reduction. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Urban Farming for more expert tips and practical guides on sustainable agriculture. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep farming, keep growing, and stay inspired.